Hey, welcome back to my channel. 698 149 steering knuckle 43212040050 replacement 4. Tacoma front left steering knuckle 43212040050 43212-04050 fit for the following: Tacoma 2.7L 2005-2021, Tacoma 3.5L 2015-2021, Tacoma 4.0L 2005-2015. Part hashtag 698 to 149 43212040050 43212-04050. Replacement for Toyota Tacoma 2.7L 2005 to 2021, 3.5L 2015 to 2021, 4.0L 2005 to 2015. The product is made of high-quality premium material with sturdy and exquisite workmanship that will mostly improve its durability in use. Warranty for 12 months. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.